Hello guys, this is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com and welcome to this newest course on Salesforce integration with external systems. This is a no-code integration course where you will learn to integrate Salesforce with other applications with the help of external services and open API. Not only that, we are also going to see how to do HTTP callouts with the help of flows. And in this course, you do not even have to write a single line of code. So if you are someone who is tired of writing the same old Apex code to make HTTP callouts, fetch the data from external systems, and you wanted to try something brand new, then this course is for you. The topics that we are going to cover in this course, you will not find those topics anywhere else on the internet. These topics are literally going to blow your mind. Not only that, we are also going to implement this newly gained skills on a real-time project. We are going to connect Salesforce with an external application like AHA, and we will actually see how we can implement the skills that we have learned in this course on this particular project. You can add this project to your resume with all the bells and the whistles. Why you should choose this course? No coding required. Say goodbye to the complexities of coding. This course empowers you to achieve robust integrations through user-friendly tools, practical expertise. Learn through hands-on projects that mimic real-world scenarios. Build a portfolio of integration projects that showcase your skills and problem-solving powers. Industry insights. You are going to gain insights into the best practices, common challenges, and emerging trends. Career advancement. Salesforce integration skills are high in demand. By adding this sought-after skill set to your resume, it will enhance your career prospects and open doors to new opportunities. Ongoing support. You will have access to a ton of resources. You can engage in the discussions. You can also reach out to me in case you have any questions in this course. Who should enroll in this course? So if you are a Salesforce admin who is looking to upgrade their integration skills and you are afraid of writing code, this course is for you. If you are a Salesforce developer and who wants to learn about no-code integration, this particular course is for you. The integrations that used to take months now can be achieved in a matter of weeks. If you are a consultant and you want to showcase your integration skills to your clients, this course is for you. The topics that we are going to cover in this course are very new and also trending. Anyone who is interested in mastering the art of Salesforce integration, this course is for you. And now let's dive into the real life project that we are going to build in this course. So we are going to integrate Salesforce with an external application called AHA, and we will be able to fetch the information from the AHA system into your Salesforce application, and we can do that without writing any line of code. So how do we do that? Let's get right into it. Join me on this journey of becoming a Salesforce integration champion by clicking the link to enroll in the course, and I'm going to see you inside the course.